Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That's the 1st of December 2018 at 8 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. So let's have a look at the sets. All of them bar one are the smaller sets, which is really great because they are a better price point, although I do think all of them are really good value. So first of all, this is the Cupid Cutie set, absolutely adorable as you can see. So you've got the three little cats here and then also the dog as well. So you've got the cat and the dog holding the envelopes, and then you've got one with the heart there and then one with the heart balloon as well, which is so cute. You've got some extra hearts and then you've got the sentiments sending love and be mine. So this is geared towards Valentine's, but I think you could use it all year round. You could use them for birthday cards. I think these ones particularly would be really good to stamp on envelopes for happy mail and things like that. Just really cute little animals. And there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. And I did make a card using this set. Might be a little bit difficult to see, but I did some ink blending in the background with some clouds and then did some grass there at the bottom, stamped out the cat, coloured her with Copic markers, added some crystal glaze onto the balloon there. And the sentiment there is from the Just Saying stamp set. Next up is the On the Shelf set. So you've got these three larger words. You've got the baby, home and love. And then you've got huge congratulations, is where the heart is, and sending lots of love. So you could add these onto a shelf, and so they could be like the wooden words and things like that, which are quite popular at the moment, but obviously you could use them just separately on their own. And you can obviously mix and match the sentiments how you want to. There is a die set that coordinates with this set for the baby, home and love. So really nice. Next up is the Festive Fillers stamp set. So this works alongside the Halloween fillers, the Frightful Fillers set, but you have got a jar on its own, so you could just buy this set on its own if you wanted to. So you've got the jar and then you've got the label that you can add on, and then you've got all the items that you could add into the jar. So you've got the stars, the candle, the gingerbread man, the holly, the cookies, the candy canes, the lights and the baubles or the ornaments. And then you've got the label kind of words that you can add onto the label on that as well. So that's really cute. Next up is the Just a Drop stamp set. This is a really pretty set. So you've got the snowdrops here and then you've got the fuchsias as well. You've got the sentiments, you inspire me, make a wish and be happy. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. And I did make a card using this set. I did it sort of a bit more mixed media-y for what I usually do, but I really like how it turned out. So I did the background with distress inks, I watercoloured those and sort of splattered on some water, and then I coloured in the snowdrops with coloured pencils. I used Polychromos pencils for that. And the sentiment there is from the Happy Birthday All set, which was released last month. Next up is the Super Pug stamp set. Again, a really cute set. So you've got these pugs dressed up as superheroes, and then you've got the sentiments. You've got you're super, super dad, super friend, have a super birthday, you're my hero and super pug. I think this is especially good for mail cards in particular, but obviously any cards they'd be really good on all year round. And there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. Next up is the Head Over Heels set. So you've got these really cute hippos here in their different poses, kind of like they're jumping for joy or they're head over heels in love. So you've got the sentiments, I've fallen for you, yippee, and I'm head over heels in love with you. Obviously, again, this is kind of geared towards Valentine's Day, but you could use the hippo separately for sort of jumping for joy and things like that, like I have done on my card. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. So this is what I made for my card. I thought they looked quite good, the hippo sort of jumping over, sort of doing cartwheels as a sort of congratulations card. So the sentiment, the congratulations sentiment is from the Occasion Calligraphy set. And then I stamped out the yippee and die cut that out with the You Said It dies. So he's kind of like, he's saying the yippee, which I thought was really cute. And then the background, I did some ink blending with the Basic Spots 2 stencil. I just thought that would be really nice as a background. The only larger set in this set this month is the Cheerful Calligraphy. So this is a Christmas sentiment set. So you've got the sentiments here: Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, Peace on Earth, Christmas Cheer, Merry and Bright, Eat, Drink, Be Merry, 'Tis the Season to be Jolly, From Our Home to Yours, It's the Most Wonderful Time, Joyous Noel, Let It Snow, and you've got the EXO there as well. Really nice set to coordinate with any Christmas sets. Next up is the Picture It Christmas set. Really lovely background stamp here that you can create sort of scenes with. I think this would work really well with any of the critter stamps that are already available from Clearly Besotted. So you've got this beautiful scene with the mountains and the houses and the trees, and then you've got this lovely Christmas tree here at the bottom and some snowbanks and things like that. I have made a sample, but I'm going to share that with you in a second because I combined a few different sets. So next up, this is the Shake It set. So you've got these cute little critters that can go in the snow globe there. So you've got the house, the tree, the reindeer, Santa, the gingerbread man, the robin, the snowman and the penguin. You've got the sentiment, Have a Happy Christmas. You've got the snow globe, you've got some extra snow and then a snowbank as well. So that'll be really cute inside that little snow globe. And there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. And last but not least, this is the Christmas type set. So this is a smaller font, and again you've got some lovely Christmas sentiments in here. You've got Be Merry, Eat, Drink, or Eat, Drink and Be Merry. You've got Season's Greetings, Happy New Year, Joyous Noel, Let It Snow, Have a To, From Our Home to Yours, Merry and Bright, Christmas Cheer, Peace on Earth, Merry Christmas, 'Tis the Season to be Jolly, From It's the Most Wonderful Time, and All I Want for Christmas is You. So you can mix and match those, especially with the other sentiment set as well. So this is the card that I made with all of those sets. I stamped out the little Santa and the reindeer, masked them off, and then stamped out the Picture It Christmas scene behind. And then obviously coloured that with Copic markers, added on some snow with a white gel pen, and then the sentiment there is from that Christmas type stamp set. So that was a look at the new release from Clearly Besotted for December. Links to the products will be in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.